In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine two photos inside of Gemini AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to gemini.google.com, sign into your account or create a free account. Then from here, click onto new chat, and now we want to go ahead and upload those images. So we want to go ahead and click on agree, upload files. So choose your two images that you like to merge. So basically I want to put Trumpy laying down on the beach here. So I'm going to select both of these and click onto open, and now it's going to upload those two images. Then from here it's going to say ask Gemini. So like I said, I'm going to say, can you put Trumpy laying down on that beach? So yeah, it's probably not the best prompt, but you get the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit from here. Now they're going to merge these two photos together. So give that a few seconds to do its thing. So here's the end result. So yeah, because the images aren't the greatest, so I got Trumpy in a suit. And yeah, we can go ahead and ask him and say, can you put him laying down on the sand? So you can just keep talking back to the chat and edit the image to get it to how you want it to look. So I'll pause this video. Alright, so it's struggling with this prompt, but yeah, you get the idea.